Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me once again for another CVS deals video. This is the second week of this ad cycle, which means all the deals you did last week, you can do them again and get your extra care box as long as you have the coupons or if they make sense to you. And if you're joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here and I hope you subscribe, like, comment and share, and let's go check out these deals. The first deal I have in this video will be on Scope Mouthwash. They're on the deal of buy 2 get 5 back and they are priced at $6.99 each. Pick up 2 and they will total $13.98. Use the 2 off 2 digital coupon to drop it down to $11.98 and you get 2 back. Then check your Ibotta is giving back $1, limit of 1. That will end up making them just $8.98 or $4.49 each. The next deal I have is buy any Polydent, Polygrip or Biotin, then you get $3 back. Pick up 1 Polygrip Denture Adhesive Cream, priced at $6.59. Check your app because we have a $1.50 off coupon that will drop it down to $5.09 and you get 3 back, making it just $2.09. The next deal I have is buy 2 get $5 back on any CoverGirl cosmetics. You can easily do this deal by picking up 2 of the CoverGirl Perfect Blend pencils priced at $5.79 each. And they will total $11.58. Use $2 digital coupon we just received and the $4 off extra care coupon. That will take off $6 and drop it down to $5.58 and you get 5 back, making them just 58 cents or 29 cents each. If you're doing this CoverGirl deal, pay attention when you check out to make sure that your $2 digital coupon applies. Another way you can do this deal is to pick up the CoverGirl Outlast Lip priced at $5.29 and a CoverGirl Perfect Blend Pencil priced at $5.79. These two will total $11.08. Use the $2 CoverGirl digital coupon and the $4 extra care coupon, and both will take off $6 and drop it down to $5.08 and you get 5 back, making them just 8 cents or 4 cents each. The next cosmetics deal I have will be on Maybelline Cosmetics and they're on the deal of buy 2 get 5 back. This one is different from the one I shared last week because we have this $2 digital coupon that doesn't attach to all products. Pick up 1 Maybelline concealer priced at $10.29 and 1 Maybelline single eyeshadow priced at $4.79. They will total $15.08. Use the $3 digital coupon and that coupon will attach to the single eyeshadow, and we have a $2 digital coupon that will attach to the concealer. If you have a 3 off 15 Maybelline CRT, you can use it with this deal. That will take off $8 and drop it down to $7.08 and you get 5 back, making them just $2.08 or $1.04 each. My next deal is on Garnier Facial Care and they're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2, you get $5 back. Pick up Garnier Blackhead Eliminating Scrub priced at $9.99 and with the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $5. Both will total $14.99. Check your app. We just received a $3 coupon. And if you have a 2 off 10 Garnier Facial Care CRT added to this deal, that will take off 5 and drop it down to $9.99 and you get 5 back, making them just $4.99 or $2.50 each. This next deal can make a very good filler item if you need one, and that will be on the Loop Hydrogel Face Mask. They're on the deal of buy 1 get $2 back and they are priced at $5.99. Pick up 1, pay $5.99 and get $2 back, making it just $3.99. Check your store and see if you can find a 1 plus other wax removal kit, and it's on clearance for just $3.69 and it can be a very good filler item if you need one. The next deal I have is buy 2 get $4 back, and Ives products are part of this deal and I have 2 options, but this deal is a limit of 1. The first way you can do this deal is to pick up 2 face scrubs priced at $6.49 each. Both will total $12.98. Pay that and get $4 back, making them $8.98 or $4.49 each. And the second way you can do this deal is to pick up 2 Ives body wash priced at $6.49 each. They will total $12.98. We don't have any coupon for these 2 products, so pay the $12.98 and get $4 back, making them just $8.98 or $4.49 each. The next deal I have is on Eucerin lotion, and they are part of spend 20 get 10 back. Pick up 3 5-ounce Eucerin lotion. On the shelf it says $7.49, but on the app it says $6.99. So you can ask your store to match the price if they do that. And if you can get it for $6.99, this will be your breakdown. The 3 will total $20.97. Everybody received a $3 coupon in our app. And I have two $2 coupon. It's a tier pad coupon. And these 3 coupons will take off $7 and drop it down to $13.97. And you get 10 back, making them just $3.97 or $1.32 each. Any Palmer skincare are on sale for buy one get one half off. And when you buy 2, you get $6 back. Pick up 2 Palmer cocoa butter cream, priced at $7.99. And with the buy one get one half off, the second one will be $4. And they will total $11.99. We just received a $1.50 off Palmer product digital coupon, which will drop it down to $10.49 and you get 6 back, making them just $4.49 or $2.25 each. The next deal I have will be on Carmex lip balm, and that includes the multi-packs or the singles. But I cannot find the singles, so I'm showing you the multi-packs. And if you can find the singles, that will be cheaper. Here my store is priced at $5.59, and they're on the deal of buy 2 get $3 back. Pick up 2, both will total $11.18. Pay that and get 3 back, making them just $8.18 or $4.09 each. The next lip care deal I have will be on Nivea lip care, the 2 packs. They are part of the buy 2 get 7 back. Be careful with this deal because the singles are buy 2 get $4 back. For the buy 2 get 7 back, pick up 2 2-pack Nivea lip care priced at $6.29 each. They will total $12.58. Pay that and get $7 back, and that will make these 2 packs just $5.58 or $2.79 each. I have few more examples to share on this Nivea deal. Just remember that it's a limit of 1, so pick whichever one that works for you. The next one I have is to pick up the Nivea lotion priced at $7.29 and 1 Nivea men body wash priced at $5.99. And they will total $13.28. We have a $2 coupon for the Nivea lotion in our app, and we have a $2 coupon for the Nivea men body wash. That will take off $4 and drop it down to $9.28, and you get 7 back, making them just $2.28 with $1.14 each. If you don't want the men body wash, you can get the women body wash priced at $6.99 and get the Nivea lotion priced at $7.29. Both will total $14.28. Use the $2 Nivea digital coupon for the lotion and a $2 digital coupon for the Nivea body wash. That will take off $4 and drop it down to $10.28, and you get 7 back, making them just $3.28 or $1.64 or each. You can pick up 2 Nivea men body wash priced at $5.99, and both will total $11.98. We just received a $2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $9.98, and you get 7 back, making them just $2.98 or $1.49 each. If you prefer the women body wash, pick up 2, and they are priced at $6.99. Both will total $13.98. Use the $2 coupon in our app that will drop it down to $11.98, and you get 7 back, making them just $4.98 or $2.49 each. And the last option for this deal is to pick up 1 Nivea men body wash priced at $5.99 and 1 women body wash priced at $6.99. Both will total $12.98. Use the $2 coupon in our app to drop it down to $10.98, and you get 7 back, making them just $3.98 or $1.99 each. But remember, this deal is a limit of 1, so pick whichever one that works for you. The next deal I have is buy 3 get 6 back on select Dove products. Last week I shared this deal with the Dove hair care, but this week I have the cleansing bars, and they are priced at $5.99. If you're picking up the cleansing bars, be very careful or you can scan them because most of them are on sale. And the only one that is not on sale at my store when I scan them is the turmeric, milk and lemon drop, and they are priced at $5.99. Pick up 3 and they will total $17.97. Use the 6 off 3 digital coupon to drop it down to $11.97, and you get 6 back, making them just $5.97 $1.99 each. This deal got better this week because we received a 3 off 2 coupon, and that will be on Garnier whole blend. They're on the deal of buy 2 get $3 back, and their price at $6.29 each. Pick up 2 and they will total $12.58. Use the 3 off 2 coupon we just received to drop it down to $9.58 and you get 3 back, making them just $6.58 or $3.29 each. The next hair care deal I have is buy 2 TRESemmé hair care, you get 4 back. Pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner, priced at $7.99 each, and they will total $15.98. We have a 5 off 2 coupon in our app that will drop it down to $10.98 and you get 4 back, making them just $6.98 or $3.49 each. If you need Clairol hair color, they are on buy 2 get 4 back, limit of 1 per week, and they are priced at $10.49 each. Pick up 2, both will total $20.98. We just received a 6 off 2 coupon in our app that will drop it down to $14.98 and you get 4 back, making them just $10.98 or $5.49 each. I shared this deal last week and I'm sharing it again this week because we have an Ibotta rebate for it, and that will be on the Horse Minis. They're on the deal of buy 2 get $2 back, and they're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off. Pick up 2, priced at $5.59, and with the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $2.80. Both will total $8.39. We only have a $1 digital coupon that will drop it down to $7.39 and you get 2 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1 back on each. That means you get back $2 from Ibotta, making them just $3.39 or $1.70 each. My next deal is on the Sensible Portion Snacks. They're on the deal of buy 2 get $2 back. Pick up 2 garden veggie straws, priced at $4.99 each. Both will total $9.98. Pay that and get $2 back, and that will make these 2 bags just $7.98 or $3.99 each. If you need Lay's chips or Doritos, they're on sale for $3.49 and they are part of buy 1 get 50 cents back. Pick up 1, pay $3.49 and get 50 cents back, making it just $2.99. Russell Stover or Whitman Sampler are on sale for $6.99 and when you buy 1, you get $2 back. Pick up 1, pay $6.99 and you get 2 back, making it just $4.99 only. If you like the Quest protein bars, they're on sale for $10.49 and when you buy 1, you get $2 back. Pick up 1, pay $10.49 and get 2 back, making it just $8.49 only. The next deal I have is spend $15 get 3 back on Airwick, Lysol or Finish products. Pick up 1 Airwick Essential Starter Kit on sale for $11.99 and 1 Finish Jet Dry on sale for $6.99. These 2 will total $18.98, and this will be an all-digital deal because we have a $6 off for the Airwick and $1 off for the Finish Jet Dry. That will take off $7 and drop it down to $11.98 and you get 3 back, making them just $8.98 or $4.49 each. Another option for this deal, if you can find the 28-count Finish dishwasher pods on sale for $11.99, pick up 2, they will total $23.98. We have a BOGO coupon in our app that will take off $11.99 and drop it down to $11.99 and you get 3 back, making them just $8.99 or $4.50 each. The next deal I have is on 36-ounce oil detergent or 19-count Mighty Packs. They're on sale for $3.99 and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. Pick up 2 oil detergents and they will total $7.98. Pay the $7.98 and get 3 back, making them just $4.98 or $2.49 each. The next deal I have is spend $30 get $10 back, and this can be an all-digital deal because the coupons we're going to use for this deal will be from the CVS app or the Coupon 24 app. Pick up 1 Tide detergent on sale for $5.49, 1 Bounce dryer sheets on sale for $6.99, and 1 Gain fabric softener on sale for $6.99. And the last 2 items we need to complete this deal is 1 Tide pod on sale for $5.49 and 1 Downy fabric softener on sale for $6.99. These are the 5 products we need for this spend 30 and the total is $31.95. We have a $1 off coupon for the Tide Pod in our app, and if you used yours last week, we also have one in Coupon 24 app. And for the Bounce Dryer Sheet, we have a $1 coupon in our app, and you can also find one in Coupon 24 app, and a $1 off Tide detergent coupon from Coupon 24 app, a $1 off Gain coupon from Coupon 24 app, and the last coupon is $2 off Downy coupon from Coupon 24 app. And that will take off $6 and drop it down to $25.95, and you get 10 back, making them just $15.95 or $3.19 each. My next deal is spend 20 get $5 back, and the 12 roll Scott bar tissue is included in this deal. They're on sale for $9.99. Pick up 2. Both will total $19.98. We don't have any coupons for this product. Pay the $19.98 and you get 5 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back, limit of 1. That will end up making them just $12.98 or $6.49 each. Since the Ibotta rebate is a limit of 1, you can remove 1 bar tissue and add 1 paper towel, also on sale for $9.99. The total will be $19.98. Since we don't have any coupon, pay $19.98 and get 5 back. Submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back on the bar tissue, making them just $12.98 or $6.49 each. And the third option for this deal is to remove the paper towel and add the Comfort Plus, on sale for $9.99. Your math is still going to be the same. The only thing that you have to make sure you have in this deal to get your Ibotta rebate will be the bar tissue. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.